Looking to keep your users engaged by showing their reading progress on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the progress tracker block from Nextblock. Perfect for adding a sleek, responsive progress bar that tracks scroll position as people read. Whether you want to add a horizontal, vertical, or circular progress bar, or even want to add steps in your progress bar, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site, and make sure to install the Nextblock's free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblock's free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the progress tracker block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for progress tracker. This is a block. Simply just enable it. Let's see the settings of progress tracker block from Nextblock. From the type section, you have to select the progress tracker type. You can set a horizontal progress tracker, or a vertical progress tracker, or a circular progress tracker. We'll see each one by one. Let's see the horizontal one first. Then from the position, you can set the position to top or at bottom. Then from direction, you can set the direction to left to right, where the progress bar will move from left to right, or you can set it to right to left, where the progress bar will move from right to left. Then from the apply to section, you can apply the progress tracker on the entire page, or you can set it to a specific selector where you can set the progress tracker for a specific section. We'll see that option in a bit. Then from the percentage toggle, you can show percentage in the progress tracker. You can select from these two predefined styles. So let's skip this one and let's set it to top and left to right. Let's see how it looks in the front end. This is how it looks. Now let's see the selector option. With this option, you can set the progress bar to a specific container or section. For this, you have to add the unique class or ID. Let's suppose we want to set the progress bar for this container only. Let's add an ID for this section. Copy the ID. Let's come back to progress tracker. Then we'll add the ID with hashtag. Now let's save. From the relative to selector toggle, you can keep the progress tracker relative to the section. Let's save again and see how it looks. Now as you can see, the progress bar is specific to this container only. Now let's set it to entire page again. From the extra options tab, you can add steps to the progress bar by enabling this pinpoint toggle. We'll see that later in this video. Now let's see the vertical style. From the position, you can set it to left or right. Let's keep it to left. Again, we'll find the same options, and we will see the same option in the extra options tab as well. Let's see how it looks. This is how it looks. Now let's see the circular option. Again, from the apply to section, you can set it to entire page or a selector. You can show a percentage. From the circle position tab, you can adjust the circle progress tracker position. Based on your selected position, you can adjust the offset as well. Let's save and see how it looks. This is how it looks. As you can see, a circle progress bar over here. Now let's see the pinpoint option. For that, we'll use this example. Let's select the vertical type. Then from the extra options tab, you have to enable the pinpoint toggle. Then you can select the pin style from these two predefined styles. Then you have to use these repeater items to add the pinpoints. But before that, let's see the options. You will find you can add a title for the pinpoint that will show in the front end. Then you have to add the container ID. For example, we have this many containers in this page. We want to add steps for each section. To connect the pin, you have to add an ID to the container. Let's select this container. In the advanced tab, we have to add an ID. Similarly, in this way, we have added ID to each container. Let's get back to progress tracker. In each repeater item, we have assigned those specific container IDs and given specific title for each pin. You can click on the add pin button to add more pins. Let's save the page and see how it looks. This is how it looks. As you can see, as we scroll, it activates the section we have reached. We can even click on these pins to move to the section directly. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. In the progress bar tab, you will see different styling options for the circular layout, same styling option for horizontal and vertical layout. From the track section, you can adjust the track size, you can adjust background. For the track, you can add background color, gradient color, or a background image. You can adjust border radius, box shadow. Then from the fill section, you can set the fill background in the progress bar to show the progress. You can add background color, a gradient color, or even a background image. If you have enabled this percentage toggle, you will see this percentage tab. From here, you can adjust the percentage typography. You can even add global typography. You can adjust the text color. If you have enabled this pinpoint toggle, you will see this pinpoint tab. From here, you can adjust the label typography, padding, offset. You can adjust the text color, background, border radius, box shadow for normal, hover, and active states. Then from the extra options tab, you can adjust the offset of the progress bar. And let's see the circular type. From the circular section, you can adjust the circular size. You can adjust the circle size, background color. Then from track, you can set the track size, color, drop shadow. From fill, you can adjust the progress bar fill color. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling option to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the progress tracker block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.